Hi guys, you are going to be working on you need to work on your worksheet from Friday, the accuracy one for area of composite figures, and B, you're going to work on a surface area volume worksheet for cylinders. We're going to start some 3D shapes, then we'll probably come back and do some regular shapes as well, regular polygons. But you need these formulas right here, boom. Right there. I am pausing. You are taking a screenshot or you are writing them down. Okay, the first one, LA, not Los Angeles, lateral area. SA is for surface area and V is for volume. Okay, in case you're wondering, lateral area means the area of the side. So if I'm looking at this cylinder right here, okay, basically it would be the area if I wanted to, color, and this is terrible, I'm going to erase it all, but if I were just coloring the sides, like if I just had a cylinder and I was just coloring the sides of this, right, that's lateral area. Then surface area would be I take the sides and then I'm also going to add the top that I'm coloring in blue and the bottom that I'm also coloring in blue, right? So the surface area would be the area of the entire surface. Lateral area is just the area of the sides. And then volume, of course, is how much space we can put in there. Or, sometimes you think in terms of like how much water can you put in the cylinder. I don't like, I want to do the whole circle thing and then tap the center of the circle to make everything erase like I do on the smartboard, and it's obviously not working. So, we're just going to erase all that. So those formulas are nice and easy to use. You just have to pay attention to what they're asking for. Use pi when you're going for your calculators. And here we go. Ready? Lateral area is first. Remember, area of the side. So lateral area is just going to be 2 times pi times our radius. Well, the entire thing is 24, right? That's the diameter. Half of the diameter is 12. And then you're going to multiply it by the height of this cylinder is 7 miles. Go straight to your calculator. I want you to write it down so that you see it, but then go straight to your calculator. I am going to mine right now as we speak. And 2 times pi times 12 times 7, that is going to be, let's round it to the nearest, let's go to the nearest tenth. So 527 point, it's technically 7/8, so 527.8 miles squared. Remember, it is area, so our units are squared. Now, here's the thing about surface area. When you're looking at this, surface area equals LA plus 2 pi. Well, here's the thing. LA is your lateral area, and surface area is the area of the sides plus the area of the top and the bottom. Well, the top and the bottom are circles, right? And so that's where this whole pi r squared comes from. But remember, there's a top and a bottom. So that's why there are 2 pi r squareds. So when you're doing surface area, surface area, make an S there, you're taking the lateral area that you just found, this one right here, 527.8, 527.8, and you are going to add 2, remember there is a top, there is a bottom, times pi, right? And then r squared. Pi r squared is the area of a circle. So it is going to be times 12 squared. And since you already have that on your calculator, you can basically just, hit the plus button, and then it will do, and then you just type in the 2 times the pi times the 12 squared. You can type it in as 12 squared. You can type it as 144 because that's what 12 squared is. And then you hit equals, and this is what you get. Oh, this is hopefully what you get. And again, you're rounding to the nearest nope, I almost said hundredth, but let's just round to the nearest tenth. So 1,432.6 miles squared. Okay? So that is lateral area and surface area. I'm going to oh, I didn't want to shrink all of that, but that's all right. We're going to shrink some of that. Just ignore um, that this up here. I would like to erase it, but I have a feeling it's not going to, yep, it's just going to let me erase what I just drew. All right, so now let's find the volume. So our volume is going to be pi times our radius is 12. We're going to square that times our, times our height was 7. Okay, so clear your calculator, right? We do pi times our radius squared times our 7. And I got 3,166.7 miles. Oh, hey, guess what? I missed my miles squared up on the last one. Sorry about that. I just put it there. See? Right there, circling it in red. Now, what's important here is this is volume. You're basically, this is going to be miles cubed. Volume is always cubed. Okay? All right. That's one very simple example. The rest on your worksheet are just as simple. Use the pi button. Make sure you get this worksheet done and you get the other one from Friday done for accuracy. Okay? Have a good day.